Alright, what's up? Good morning, guys. Welcome out here to another episode of Flying Fish TV. Today again we're fishing out of Pokai Bay out on Oahu's west side. Alright, so I ended up only catching one akule, but then I got 3 apelu, so that should be enough bait to figure something out. 170 feet now, we're going to go ahead and put the first bait in the water. We'll bridle it with the rubber band. We got the first bait in the water at 6:20 in the morning. The major bite time started at 7:52, or excuse me, 5:52, and then it goes to 7:52. So hopefully we'll get some action pretty soon. We're fishing an incoming tide. High tide should be at 11:05 today. Dude, I got a Mahi on. I'm marking all kinds of them. I don't think this guy even knows he's hooked yet. I think he knows now. I think he knows. There we go. What a beautiful Mahi Mahi.
Oh.
Yeah, not too bad. Yeah. Alright, let's put this Mahi in the bag. Loses a lot of color after it dies, but it's a good size Mahi Mahi. So we're happy to get that. That guy's skinny enough that I'm gonna shove the bag back up under there. Heading back now. We've got that one akule that we caught, saved it for the trip back in, bridled right there. And let's give it a try. Nothing to lose now. Alright, Justin's got my bait. I suspect it is an aha. Alright, so that turned into a pretty good little trip. I started off at 4:15 in the morning trying to catch some akule. I was marking all kinds of them in 30 feet of water, but couldn't catch them. And then while I was headed out towards deeper water, I managed to catch one akule. And then just after sunrise, caught 3 apelu, and then headed towards the east, towards Miley. And then put the first apelu in the water, decided to bridle it, which turned out to be a mistake because it had a messed up mouth from when I caught it. So that ended up drowning itself. So then second bait I put in, and while I was letting out line and pedaling away, that's when that Mahi came up and grabbed it. So that was pretty cool. He grabbed it in 150 feet of water, right about at 6:40 in the morning. And then after that, spent a couple hours just messing around. An aha grabbed my last apelu, it died, then I dropped it to the bottom. No luck, all bottom fish ended up stealing it.